lovely people, and welcome back to Yoga with Kate. I hope you're all fit and well. Namaste to you all. Welcome to day 2 of Yoganuary. I hope you're enjoying it so far. If you missed yesterday's class, I'll drop the playlist over here so you can catch up on that detox stretch. Today we're going to be doing a standing stretch today, so a little bit more work than the detox one we did yesterday. And without further ado, let's get started. Right, for our breathing pranayama, we need to do a little bit to warm ourselves up. So you're starting with your feet in Tadasana, hip width apart. Now I want you to clasp your hands, interlink the hands, and it's easier probably from a side view to show you what we're doing. So we've got the elbows relaxed, shoulders back and down, and we're popping those hands just underneath our chin. Now on our nice big inhale, we're lifting the elbows up to the ceiling, big inhale. Drop your head back, and on the exhale, we're bringing those elbows back together and release them down. So we're going to do that 4 more times. Inhaling. Last one. Okay, well done. So let's give our shoulders a lovely roll, back and down. So we're starting off with a nice wide base triangle, feet are parallel facing forward, lock back those knees. Nice and simple to warm those hamstrings. We're grabbing opposite elbows, pushing our bottom tailbone out behind us, and we're simply dropping it down. So head and neck nice and relaxed here. Give your head and neck a little gentle shake from side to side. Now here, if you want to work a little bit more, depends on how your hamstrings are feeling today, you're going to bring your weight forward onto your toes, push your bottom tailbone up towards the ceiling. You should get a deep stretch down the backs of the buttocks and the hamstrings. So we're just staying there for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now drop your hands to the mat. Where you're looking at the floor, you're going to place your left hand, and then we're extending the right arm up to the ceiling. If you can, you're twisting around to look up to that right hand. Staying there for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lower down, head hanging, arms hanging, head and neck, gentle shake from side to side. So this time looking at the floor, placing your right hand where you're gazing at your mat, and then extending the left arm up. So twisting around, looking up to that left arm. Staying there for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lower on down, head hanging, arms hanging. Now put your tummy in nice and tight. If you need to bend your knees slightly here to come up, that's fine. Keep your chin tucked into your chest. That stops you getting dizzy as we come back up. And once you're up to standing, give those shoulder blades a lovely roll, back and down. I'll show you this one from the side view, so feet hip distance apart, please. So we're going to bend the knees, so we're tucking our bottom tailbone under. We're interlinking those hands in front, and then I want your palms pushed away. And yet again, you're looking down to your tummy and really squeeze your buttocks forward. So feel a lovely stretch going on in your shoulder blades, your buttocks, your spine, and your back. Staying there for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Up we come, and if you wish to, you can just swing those arms. Make sure you loosen up those shoulder blades. Well done. Okay, so we're going to pop the left foot at the back of the mat. The right leg comes forward. So working more on the hamstrings now and the buttocks. You want your left foot pivoted out slightly to the left. We want our hips facing forwards. So we're extending those arms up to the ceiling. Big stretch up. Now you're pushing your bottom out behind you as you come forward and down. Now if your hands don't meet the mat like me, do not panic. You can rest on the leg, but please never push against your kneecap. Now if you find this relatively easy, you're going to take those right toes up to the ceiling, and you're simply dropping your nose down towards your knee. Staying there for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pull your tummy in, up we come. We're stepping that left foot in, and then we're taking our right foot back. Yet again, want a nice angle on that right foot. And yet again, we want our hips square to the front of the room. So nice big inhale again, really big stretch up. And yet again, pushing your bottom out behind you, coming forward and down, just relaxing your head, nose to knee eventually. Yet again, toes up to the ceiling. Once you're here, working that left glute, left buttock back, feel a lovely stretch up the back of the leg. Staying there for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pull your tummy in, up you come, and we're stepping that right foot in. So we're going to be doing some Trikonasana today. Fantastic for sculpting those abs. Okay, so we're going to pivot our right foot out to the right, left heel back on the left foot. Now our tummy needs to be back to center, so you're feeling a nice opening in your pelvic area. Raising those arms up to shoulder level. Nice and simple, we're dropping the right arm down and the left arm up. Now, do not bring your body forward. Don't be tempted to reach down to your foot because it looks better. You need your body back, okay? So you're feeling the stretch down that left side of the body, looking up. So a lovely stretch. Looking up for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pull your tummy in, up we come to center. Keep those arms raised. Pivoting around to the other side now. So heel back on the right foot. Again, we want our hips back to center once more. And then we're bringing the left arm down and the right arm up. So yet again, don't be tempted to reach down to the toe. Keep your body up. Keep that right shoulder blade back. Looking up for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. More down. Up we come to center once more. So we're pivoting those feet around once more. Bring your tummy back to center. So we're bringing the right arm down now. Imagine your ear is cold. We're going to drop that left arm over the ear. And yet again, really use this as an opportunity to bring that left shoulder blade back. Looking up for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pull your tummy in, up we come. Twisting round once more. Tummy back to center, left arm down, and then the right arm drops over that right ear. Looking up again, staying there for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. More done, and up we come. Walk those feet in. Okay, so the next one we're going to do, we're going to do our lovely warrior one. So you're going to bring your left foot out in front of you, your heel is up on your right foot, walk those toes forward. Now, whenever your knee is bent, you should always be able to see your toes so that your knee is not overhanging your foot. So have a quick toe check. And then we're just extending those arms up to the ceiling. Now really push back on that right heel, show your right glute working, looking up, staying there for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lower down the arms, pull your tummy in and step the right foot forward. So staying there, right foot there, take that left foot back. So heel is up on that left foot, right knee is bent. Yet again, make sure the legs are working here. You should feel a nice stretch going on in your tummy as well. If you find the balance hard, just keep looking down towards the floor. Staying there for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. More done. Lower down the arms and step that foot in. Okay, so you're going to have your left foot at the back of the mat, right foot comes forward. Now we're bending the knee this time, so walk the toes out a little bit further. You really want those hips dropping down towards the floor. We're going to pop our right elbow on the right thigh and we're dropping the left arm over the top. So sink on down here. If you wish to, you're looking up towards the ceiling. This right arm is slightly relaxed. Staying there for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We're straightening that leg. Pivot those feet around once more. Dropping down on the left knee yet again. Make sure your knee's not overhanging your foot. It's taking the right arm over the top of your head, looking up to the ceiling. Staying there for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. More done. And up we come. Okay. So we're going to do a couple of warrior twos now. So right foot out to the right, heel back on the left foot, tummy back to center. Now we're bending the knee again on the right knee. So make sure you can see those toes. We're extending our right arm out to the right and left arm out behind. So you should feel a nice stretch going on in your tummy area. Sink on down. So we're going to stay here a little bit longer than we normally would. I want to really squash your feet into your mat. Both those legs should be feeling nice and solid and like they're working. And as I said, a nice stretch going on in your abdominal area. Nice deep breaths. Staying there for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We're straightening out right leg, pivot round to the back of the room. Might need to walk your toes out a little bit further. Make sure your tummy is still facing forward, looking down the middle finger on your left hand. Yet again, squash those feet into the mat. Yet again, should be a nice pull going on in your abdominal area. Nice deep breaths. For another 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 more done, and up we come. Okay, so we're taking the feet out to the side, pivot them out a little bit, and we're sinking on down, sinking on down. So a lot of work going on the glutes. Now try and tuck your bottom under, that engage your core, and we're raising those arms up, sink on down. Staying there for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, drop an inch, 4, 3, 2, 1, up we come, and lower down those arms. So we're finishing off, just feet hip distance apart, grabbing opposite elbows here, bottom out behind, and we're simply dropping forward and down and letting our head hang here. Yet again, with these forward bends, if you want to, push your weight slightly forward onto those toes, bottom up towards ceiling, for a little bit of a deeper stretch. If you just want to relax here, it's absolutely fine. Or if you want to drop your hands down to the mat, just stay there. Staying there for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now put your tummy in. We're just uncurling. Let your arms dangle, your head nice and relaxed. We're rebuilding that spine. Up we come. And once you're up to standing, give your shoulders a lovely roll. Back and down. So thank you very much for joining me for day 2 of Yoganuary for our standing stretches. I hope you enjoyed it. As always, if you could comment down below, let me know how you felt this practice. If you liked it, please give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed yet, I'd greatly appreciate it if you did. I look forward to seeing you soon. Take care of yourselves. I'm Shanti, which is peace.